So many tools. Goodness gracious. So he's a fucking Indian poncho? Damn. Wait, isn't this gonna kind of grieve him a little bit? Maybe not. I don't know. Buddy and Kevin are so fucking bored.
This guy isn't as therapeutic as Post 10, but I think Twitch chat and view will love him and his pets like Kevin hit rap at a baby and hoggers.
The fuck? I think it's fucking raining like crazy. If I go outside and play catch with this dog, he's coming in soaked. No, not doing it. And I'm working right now. Watching some guy build a cabin. Some Swedish dude woke up and said, you know what, I'm gonna fucking build a cabin today. Or this year. That's what I'm gonna do with one of my years of life. I'm gonna build a fucking cabin. Which is quite admirable. And pretty cool. With that being said, you could not pay me enough to do this. This guy's doing it for free. Crazy. Not only is he building a cabin, but he's probably spending 50% of his time setting up cameras to film it. That's the part that blows my mind even more. Like, every time the camera moves, like, he has to position it. He had like a whole fucking segment of him just like walking through the woods. He had to walk to that area, set up the camera, walk back, and pretend he's walking through it for the first time. That's crazy to me. It's an investment. I guess he gets to watch it later. Be like, hey, kids, when he's like 50, like, look at me. I built a cabin when I was your age. Here's the proof. But he also just might flat out be a YouTuber. 400k subs. Like, this might literally be his job if he has other videos. Well, this
Hey
video has
man,
22
I
million
took
views,
my
but yeah.
first Sono quiz and I found out I am a yeah. Not sure what to do with this information.
Interesting. 22 million views. You guys act like you have like one video with 22 million views. You're all of a sudden a YouTuber.
I fucking hate life. Of course I play MMOs to escape this garbage life.
Okay.
Sword of Legends is fun MMO, good PvP and not P2W.
Garbage. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Come on. Come on. All right. All right. All right. Bang. Where's the moss? Oh, here comes the moss. Maybe not. Oh. Now the nail. Oh, is he replanting the trees? Okay. Replant trees. How are you gonna have a subtitle reminding me that I can put on subtitles? Wait, maybe that was like part of the video. Oh, I get it.
Very good.
Bro, I have been stuck watching this guy for I don't even know how long. Thanks for the tier 3 sub.
Where's Kevin? Y'all need to get out of my room. I swear to God.
Do I still have this game trying to open? Bro, I have opened this game 4 hours ago. I don't know what's going on. Alright, hang on, buddy.
How about a short video of how expert Henry cooks his meals? Very funny and you can learn something.
Whoa. Dang.
I asked myself the very same question when you were grinding for honor in WoW.
Bro, these donations are literally from like 2 hours ago, so I have no idea what they're even referring to. I'm sorry. This is unlucky. Do not donate. My merch store is popping off too much, and it's fucking delaying all donos and subs. How long is this video, bro? Shit. At this point, I'm finishing it. It's like 30 minutes left-ish. But I'm gonna be skimming through it a bit. Like, because I'll be honest. I don't need to see this guy fucking style up this log in detail. I've seen him do like 20 of these. He's gonna cut it off. Yep, nice and flush. Watch this part, though. Oh, okay. Quite impressive indeed. Watching this part. Hold on. Oh. I love you, buddy, but you gotta. I don't know what to do. I can't take you outside right now. It's too wet. Hey, you shut the fuck up right now, you bitch. Oh, nice cut. Oh my god. Oh my god, this guy's crazy. All right. Yep, nail. June 2020. Woo! Huh? Bitch! You gonna bark, motherfucker? I'll bark. Hey, I got a ball over here. Woo! Oh, God. Ah, my ears. Bitch! Fuck up! Come on. Fucking motherfucker. Oh, the door's closed. How'd that happen?
Enough talk. Look at all those wood shavings. Get post 10 online and tell him we found the asshole clogging up our streets.
Wait. Enough talk? Now, what is this outfit? Damn! He was so oh, you guys didn't see it. Let me hold on. Let me fix that. Watch how casual he is about
That's
this.
a lot of hard wood.
Skirt.
Huh. Yes.
No way he does it twice in a row. Is he gonna do it again? No way, bro. Damn! This is all taken in one shot. I had no clue. I thought it was edited because I couldn't believe it. No way he does it again. Oh my God. That's not edited. Oh, wait, he's actually still going. Damn! Dang! Woo! Ultra combo! Okay, we get it, bro!
This is the reason we didn't have sufficient toilet paper when the Rona hit.
Holy fuck! I love it. Sick drone footage. All right, turn subtitles on. Bro, they're on. Don't yell at me. Ow. Come on, now.
He's chopping dead trees on his own private property. He can do whatever he wants. He could bulldoze the whole forest and build a parking lot.
Okay. But were people upset about him cutting down trees? He replanted them, guys. Shing. Them slow-mos are badass. I don't like listening to this. The squeaking. Creamer! Creamer! We're wet! Isn't it easier to cut wood when it's wet like this? Maybe I'm dumb. Or is it not? I'm dumb. Dry is easier? Okay. I thought this was a painting for a second. So remember, he set up the tripod, walked past all of this, as if it's his first time walking through, then turn around and went and got his camera. I can't do those scenes. But it looks good. You're right, how else are you supposed to film that stuff? So where's the door? I just don't need any more of these drone shots, man. What? Beaver hide that I have done myself. My man slayed beavers. Fucking beavers, bro. Out of all the animals today, he had to pick beavers. Full circle. Post 10 loves this guy. That was short. What is this hat? Fucking... Dang. Nice. The way he swings, this looks like a fucking NPC. But what? Fucking, he's jamming. Door? Wow. For me? Isn't he supposed to be cutting out the rest of the door? Maybe not. Maybe I... Oh, man, maybe it's a window. You might be right. But where's door? Okay. Was he sponsored? Ah, see, some of y'all have to be getting the feeling I'm getting when he takes his hand and just like that. Jesus. Damn, bro. This guy smashes pussy that hard. Fuck. Okay, but where's the door? I'm still waiting. Be patient. We're at the end of the video, man. Oh, this has to be the door. Where's the roof? There's no way. Oh, my Atlanta. Part 12? Huh? Well, what is this? Hey. Hey, you have a cab in your building. Get back here. His people need him. What? Okay. It is pretty. I bet he didn't sleep there. This is acting. I believe. Yeah, this is acting. He wouldn't leave his camera running 24/7. It's not possible. He made his own camera. Okay. All right, man. That's a lot of fucking butter. Look at all those wood shavings all over the floor. Inside and outside. Okay. Wow. I feel like that little piece of wood holding his foot is gonna like fall or something. I don't know. Okay. You gonna slide a little window glass in there? Or you just get, okay. Damn, slow-mo. Damn, haircut. Holy fuck. I don't know who that is. Okay, so where's the part 2? Oh, that's him. Oh. All right. Grandfather, that's kind of nice. We saw him on the tractor that one time. Prime mental supporter. Poggers. Okay. So I guess that's maybe this? That's when you see this thing beaten. Like, it needs to beat this thing. He's already so far in this one. Oh my gosh, spoilers! It's ruined. Okay, let me close this. I'm looking for the 22 million one. Is it not here? Oh, this one? Probably this one, right? Where is the door? Dude, that's what I've been saying, man. Okay.
Are you done with Roguebook? I think it's a really cool game.
I don't think I'm done with it, no. Oh man, I can't. No, the... Put it back. Nice. I gotta pee again. How's he doing? Oh, he's shirtless. Wow. I feel like half my chat is fucking women and gay men, so y'all love it too much. Jeez Louise. He's gonna do that thing again. Wait, what's going on his herb? Stop doing that. I do what I want. And he's dead. I can't believe her. What is this?
After this video you should play The Forest or Green Hell.
No. Dead owns. Why are we okay? He did it. Look at that. Look at him in his drone. Okay, all right. All right. All right, man. Is he gonna do another door? Maybe he should just fucking cut a hole through all of it. Make the whole thing a door.
Cat girl to be exact.
What? Oh yeah, 2 doors cause fire exit. Man, this guy thinks about everything. I wonder if he's gonna get Wi-Fi out there. Then it'd be a sick-ass place. Oh, is he gonna cut off the top? What? Oh. Hello, Chance. Wasn't here during the New World stream and would like to know your opinion if it's worth playing. No, I don't think it is, but I probably will play it. Maybe it's better now, but it really does look like it's like Omega dick cheese. Also, that guy who donated that is probably gone. Yeah, you're right. Man, can you...
I sent this dono at 5:57 p.m. your time. Let's see how delayed this shit is.
That was an hour ago. Yeah, I don't care to watch anymore. I just want to see the fucking, like, bro. Don't care if it's relaxing. All right, next. Where's the final product? Show it to me right now. The fuck is that? Is that a turret? Just like our forefathers. Cheater!
Thank you.
Uh-oh. Wow. I all tapped everything. Yeah, I'm skipping through. I'm ready to watch something else, but I just need to see it. Sorry. You're all mad. Won't lie, this is coming together pretty fucking nicely. I don't need to see this. Dang. Blap, blap, blap. Can I start that game? Dude, this game has been running for... I mean, I can stop it. I don't